Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I am doing an acrylic pour swipe with Mixed Media Girl pouring paints and a paper towel. So I'm using a 10 by 10 inch canvas, and I did a pour prior to this where I had some of my paint left in my split cup. So I decided to use that for a swipe. So it's actually got quite a few colors in there, including various greens, blues, gold, yellow. And then here I'm adding a little bit of the peachy coral, some of the deep sea blue, which is a surprisingly pretty color combination, and also some electric lime. And once again, this might seem like a weird color combination, but it actually works pretty well. And they're the colors from my In the Navy pouring paint set on my website. So once I got all my paint down onto my canvas, I spread it out a little bit with my fingers to make sure that I got every spot of the canvas covered. You don't want to leave any dry spots on the canvas uncovered when you're doing a swipe, because then your swiping material, whether it be a paper towel or cardboard or something else, will just skip right over that. At the top here, I put white and I put couple drops of silicone in the white, only in the white, and that's the Spot On Treadmill silicone. And I put that white with the silicone mostly at the top, but I put a little bit throughout the painting as well. And then I decided I wanted to add a little more deep sea blue, just because that's one of my favorite colors. And then when you're doing your swipe, definitely make sure that you have enough paint at the top to swipe with. So I felt like I didn't have quite enough, so I added just a little bit more. And now I'm just using a dry paper towel to swipe this. Set the paper towel down gently in your paint at the top and make sure it picks it up all the way across your paper towel. And I usually let it pick up about a ½ inch of it and then just pull straight down. And absolutely, you can switch that up if you want. Sometimes people like to do kind of a wavy motion. I prefer just the straight look. And then you're just going to let it sit and develop those cells. If you have a torch, you can use that to help bring them out a little bit faster. It will give you some smaller cells as well, so just keep that in mind. And then just let it grow. Let those cells grow. So here's how it looks after it was sitting for a while. And I think this is just gorgeous. I love the cells in here. It's so fun. I don't do swipes very often, but when I do, I love them. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.